Hi, I'm Rich Umdenstock, President and Chief Executive Officer of the American Hospital Association. I'm delighted to recognize the recipient of the Connecticut 2015 Grassroots Champion Award. Working with each state hospital association, the AHA recognizes one person from that state for this annual honor. The Grassroots Champion Award celebrates exceptional leadership in educating elected officials about how major issues will affect the vital role hospitals play in our communities. In partnership with the Connecticut Hospital Association, I am pleased to announce this year's Grassroots Champion, Dr. Stephen Larson, President of the Hartford Healthcare Behavioral Health Network. Throughout his career, Stephen has exhibited exceptional leadership in grassroots advocacy. With more than 40 years of experience in behavioral health and healthcare management, he is one of the most knowledgeable and well-respected mental health advocates in Connecticut. He takes seriously his role of educating legislators on the mental health system to effect positive public policy change. Stephen serves as the co-chair of the CHA Subcommittee on Mental Health and is a long-standing member of the CHA Committee on Government. Stephen Larson is a leader in advocacy, and it's my pleasure to recognize him as the 2015 Grassroots Champion. Congratulations, Stephen, and thanks for all that you do.